Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this Audi A4 saloon. This is the 2.0 TDi Quattro S-Line automatic. It's a 7-speed auto, 190 brake horsepower diesel. It's the Euro 6 diesel, which is compliant with the ultra low emission zones in London. It was first registered 22nd of March 2017, so it benefits from being in the low tax band. So it's tax band C, which is just £30 a year. The manufacturer's claimed average of 62.8 to the gallon. MOT runs through until the 3rd of October 2022 with no advisories. Benefits from a comprehensive Audi service history comprising 3 visits. It was last done in November 20. Next oil change due in 12,300 miles or 415 days. Great set of premium brand Pirelli tyres. Fronts on 7.1 and 3.8mm of tread, and the rears on 4 and 7mm of tread. The exterior is finished in Ibis White and is in very good condition. Likewise the interior, which has a half leather interior. Isofix location points to both outer rear seats as well as the passenger side front seat. Satellite navigation, has the optional heated front seats, also the comfort dynamic suspension, optional folding wing mirrors, hill assist and variable front headrests. Has cruise control, both front seats have electric lumbar adjustment, automatic LED lights, all weather function as well as auto wipers. Infotainment wise, you've got an AM/FM radio as well as DAB. In the glove box there is a CD player along with SD card entry ports as well as 2 USB entries, auxiliary, Apple Play and Android Auto connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and Bluetooth music streaming. This A4 is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It will be supplied with full set of tailored carpet mats, 1 remote control key, full book pack, as well as a space saver spare wheel. All tools are present, including the locking wheel bolt. Thank you for watching this latest video brought to you by Berkshire Used Cars, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively, do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding warranties on offer, part exchange form, customer testimonials and our interactive finance calculator, giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this video.